Okay, let's take a look if we can do this like this. It's a bit strange for me like this, but let's take a look. Okay, cool. Hope I'm back. Maybe you don't see me at this first point, but I hope the stream is better like this. On another way to stream, because I don't like when everything goes smoothly. I love it, but at this point, perfect. Thank you. Now let's hope I get some views, visual. Let me say it like that. It's it seems to be my program where I'm just streaming with. Normally I can record it directly too, but now let me take a look how I can put my website micro. Looks like we don't have any view yet, so try to fix it. Give me a second, people. It's changed a lot. It's very funny. Normally everything would be like easy going, and studio of here has changed a lot. So I hope normally my webcam should work, but it seems that he does not want to take anything. If you can hear me, that's already the good point about it. So now, still hoping that you guys can see my screen too, but that seems to be a little bit strange going on at this point. Because it seems that I cannot see anything on my screen on my side. So if you guys can see, let me know. Because normally I am sharing my screen, but it looks like I cannot see it on my side. So can you guys see anything on the screen, or is it just me? Okay, now I can see my screen, but I can't see myself. Oh, funny ways. Technology, that's something. If it works, it's always fine. But if it doesn't, okay, great. Thank you. Now it's good. So we have screen. Perfect. But yeah, No, we don't see myself yet. Yeah, something is wrong with the camera. It looks like the webcam doesn't want to be showing on this side. So I'll be taking a look at it another time. Maybe I'll just put the webcam off for today. If you guys can hear me, that's already perfectly fine for me. Otherwise, I'll be here for quite a while. So let's put this one off for a second. Maybe this helps. No. I will do more live streams, you guys. I promise. It's normally happening once a week at least. I'll be back online. I'm still doing live streams on the background, so I'm still helping everybody here on the Discord and making sure that that everybody gets what he needs to be getting for. But I'll do a weekly live. I try to do it on Mondays from now on, so be here. We'll be around this time every time that I will try to get there. So put this one off. I want to get the camera off, but it seems that something is happening. Okay. You guys will have to work with it today so that we keep the small screen from the camera on side. Sorry about the no view, but I'll fix it by the next time. I will just keep going over it now. So first of all, welcome everybody. I'm John. This is the crypto channel of John. If you did not know me yet, and if you did, you're all welcome here. First of all, how to become the next millionaire in crypto. Caspar would be one of your bags. I hope you guys all have him, and that it is stored at a safe place too, because crypto exchanges are not the safest place to store your crypto. Joseph, your question was DNX working on some good recovery. Yeah, DNX is just it's a blockchain, so it's a great crypto at the first point. I still have a small bag of this one, not much, but still it's a blockchain, so it's one of the few blockchains out there that really are blockchains. So it's making a recovery from where it was. If you are in profit, I would take some profit. I'm not sure that this one will last for a very long time. So I used to have this one a lot more. I took a lot of profit out of it and put it into Caspar. So what my main goal is still accumulating cryptos that can I put more into Caspar, because that's my main target. Same with Bitcoin. You should have one or two bags that are constantly growing, and those two are my favorites, of course. Now the chart looks a bit bullish. It has a huge bump up today. It was about 25% for today, I think. Yeah. So that is a nice bump. So it's at a 51 million market cap. Can this go a lot higher? Yeah, I think so. Fully diluted is 62 million. So I think that's a right. For me, that feels okay. It's 110. So $1 is definitely in the chart for this coin. So I would take around a little bit of profit around $1 and making sure that the rest of your bag is just a free go along. Thoughts on Okta and DNX? Yeah, DNX is, like I said, it's still okay for the hold for a while. And Okta, I love Okta. So I do have a bag of this one still. And why do I like it? It's one of the... Let's go to Okta. Now this is streaming. It has decentralized VPN, and it just started releasing its own blockchain. It also has a proof of work state. This chart is a very bullish looking chart. So maybe it could drop one more time to around 133. So keep in mind of that one. After that one, I see a nice leg up again for this one. The reason why it only has 48 million coins, 30 million is already deployed, and this coin is growing. Community in the behind scenes. So if you know where the community is, you can look in Discord for that one. It has a few central exchanges, but I do believe we need a few more to have a huge grow up. The people behind it and the community is strong, so people still believe in it. I'm mining this one at this point, trying to increase the distribution and regain some recovery from this one. Now it's a layer one project. I like that one, and deepen projects I like too. So is it a good coin to hold? Well, for the moment, yeah. But still, if you have profits and you have a nice profit from it, put it back into your main holdings and let this one ride out for the rest of the bull run. Where will it hit? For this one, I have really not any predictions yet. So we have a market cap from 60 million, 50 million. So well, we could have an easy market cap from a few 100 million. So make it a 10x from here. That's definitely in the charts for deep in space. I do believe that deep in space will only grow that fast and that hard after we've seen Ethereum go, and it will be somewhere sideways together with all the altcoins that are going, and then we will see a huge bump up together. That's something that I would definitely see happening. I took my profits on Octospace when it was around $2. Then I swapped half out of my bags, and I still have half left of it. Now, I bought Octa at quite some cheaper prices than it's at this point, but it's still definitely in the chart for the longer run. Now, the coins that I really would love you guys to have. First of all, is Casper. A lot of people love also the memes at this point. They are so hot. I still don't know why people like them, but I do agree that they can make a certain amount of money at a shorter pace of time, but you do need to know when to take profits. Now, one that I would recommend is Myro. Why? Was a fair launch. It grew beautifully, and it's still good to like between $5 and $10 easy. So this is one that you get for free. Just buy some, keep a small bag out of it from profits, and you will do fine with this one. Otherwise, I'm not really into crypto degen plays like Dooku. So this one I bought a while ago too. I'll let my Discord know this one. And I took profits on double or triple the amount of money I put into it. And I am riding this one out for free at this point. We hit an all-time high, almost an all-time high at 54 cents. I sold around 5 cents, 0.005, sorry, a half a penny, not a penny. But I believe this can go up quite some higher than this one. So I would recommend you guys to have a small bag of this one. Do not put more than 1% of your portfolio in meme coins. Keep it safe. You have to have at least 70% safely. 25% you can do very good in smaller caps. Now, one of my all-time favorites is still Drill. This one has been going down for quite some while, and I do believe it's a nice pickup at this price range. So if you're not into this coin yet, this is a gaming coin. You can definitely have a look at it, because we had previous run downwards, up, and now it's been going downwards since the all-time high. And I believe this is like the best price that we will see before we get up to the next highs. If we go to the high that it used to be, that's at almost a 10x from here. That's between a 5 and a 7.5x. So be a little bit patient. If you have a million coins out of this one, this could mean that you could have a bag of $300,000 by the end of the bull run. It's a free gift I gave you guys, so make sure just buy a small bag, have some fun with it. I'm very close with the people that are creating this coin, and they are doing fine in the background. They know what they're doing, they know how to run a business, and that's very important. If you know how to run a business, this is why they had this growth in a small amount of time. When the bull run starts again for the next couple of months, going into it, we will see the same thing again. I'm not a financial advisor, but I just like to give some advice that I really am happy about. Now, this one I have too. Miriam, it's a great coin. The only thing is, they're not going after the expectations that I had that they should have been doing. They should have released already a first game, and I hope they are doing this very soon. They should release one of the games that they are into, and that's the Meta Rush. Normally they should have released it this month, but they are a bit behind, so I do not like that they are behind the own thing that they are doing. Thoughts about Brad base also, everyone on base. Brad. Let me take a look at Brad. That's a meme coin, I guess, too. Yeah. I think this is Brad that you mean. This has like a billion market cap of a billion. So this is not really a meme coin anymore. You cannot call it. It is a meme coin after all, but you cannot call a coin that has a billion market cap very much a meme coin anymore. Now it has a few central exchanges. Yeah, it has a few A's and B's central exchanges. So this one is definitely in the chart for growing. This has definitely a nice potential of even going higher. Do I predict that this can go with 10x from here? Not in the short run anytime. So can you grow with it and be having it half a safe place? Yeah. When it shoots, I would love to see it hit 0.075 again. People will take profits or maybe half of it. If we get to the 75, 74 or 0.055, that will be like a perfect entry to start accumulating this one. I would not start buying this one at the tops. So we are now having a small return from 10%. I would wait a little bit more and see what it does in the short term. It could even go even lower. So we just saw a dip from 0.89. So I believe that we could see a bigger dip. If we do, people are taking profits. That's normal. We all do take profits. And if we do, we could definitely go even lower. So that means that you would have a better entry. Do I believe that this meme coin can do a lot? Yeah, I do believe that this meme coin can have some very nice profits. Thoughts on Arion Dome? I have no idea. Let me take a look at this coin. Arion. First thoughts about this coin. Nice looking chart. I have nothing to say about this chart. It's very new, so that's the only thing. It has a fully diluted market cap of a billion, and there's 500 million. So make sure that you always look at these things. So we have like a half a billion of market cap that could just been dropped into this one. Markets, which exchanges do we have here? Yeah, we have some Coinbase exchanges already on. So see, yeah. So anything that's on Coinbase um, does not have the potential to grow on a fast pace anymore. But I do believe that it could do fine because of it's just on Coinbase. Would I put money into this one? No, not really my thing. There are bigger opportunities than this one, so I would not be my thing to put my money into it. I would prefer to put it in Gospel than I would prefer to put it in here. So if that is something that helps, let me know. John, I want I want to give you the next Shiba Inu. 25 million market cap. I have a small bag. Let me take a look at it. I would say great. Thank you for the share. If it is the next beautiful thing, let's take a look together. Then everybody has the information, of course. Is it this one? If it is, let me know on the chat. This one has already pumped like a 10x in just a very small part. Now, if you have a bag of this one and you have a profit, please take the profits. It has no use of having a coin that has no central exchanges, because people that has a lot of money and are wasting a lot of money and are heavily helping us to grow our coins that we hold or our bags that we hold uh, are on central exchanges. And this one has like one central exchange with no really currency moving up and down. Only decentralized exchanges are for people that are DJ players that know how to work cryptocurrencies and know a lot about them. 99% of the people do not know how to do a decentralized exchange. So I have give education back in Belgium here where I live, and I teach people from start to scratch how to go into cryptocurrency. But if I have to explain how to use a centralized exchange, sometimes people already are looking like, "Van, how do I do this?" Now, if I have to do this on a decentralized exchange, people have no idea what they're doing. So, first of all, we do need more centralized exchanges before this can grow a lot. I do believe if it does, this could be a nice click, but I would not recommend. Have a nice one, Lawrence. Thank you for being here. Oh, did I took the wrong one? Area dome on base. Okay, so I did take the right one. So no, I would not recommend this one. First of all, the name Amaterasu Ominkani. Sorry, I can't even pronounce it. So if I have it not easy to pronounce this one, I think a lot of people would have to. So if I cannot pronounce it, how can people search for it? For it. So keep in mind for that one. If you are in profit, just take the profits, leave a small bag into it, and let the rest just grow for free and fun, and see what happens afterwards. But I would definitely not accumulate this one. I'm definitely sure if you have a bag of Myro that you will have a lot more favorites and fun with that one. I will take a look at Aereo, the next one that you shared. Was that what the right one that was in? The first one or is the second one? Can you give me the or is it like, can you give me the full name of this one? I'll look at the chat so that I can know if it's the correct one. I'll go on to the next one for Aereo because I have a few of them, like you can see. I have one, two, three, four. So it's a bit not so easy for me to know which one. UBX token. Okay, let's look first of all at the chart. How does this chart look like? It's a small chart. Looks okay. We had a huge dip, but that's normal. And then we had a nice reaction to it. It made an all-time high, what I always love to see. And now we have a beautiful retracement. Now, markets. Which markets do we have on this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 central exchanges. That's okay. And it's about a year ago in December 2022 that we are released. So we do have a little bit less exchanges for a year-old coin. What does it do? What does this coin do? Website. Let me take a look at the website. Invites the physical and the virtual real world. It's on budget. It's Q3 kickoff. Okay, but let me take a look if they are up to date. Kickoff, super app, real estate, real estate, tokenization, blockchain club, sponsorship, events, new staff hiring. Okay. They're on 30% of completion. Oh, that's not so good. So that means that they should have been a little bit more. So they should almost have the second quarter of 2024 is almost done. So that means that they should have had at least 50% of completion. So they are a bit behind schedule, or they did not upgrade their roadmap. So I don't like that people are behind roadmaps. I do like that they show themselves if this is the complete team. I believe that we need more centralized exchanges for this one to really go up high. But for the first thing, it looks okay. We have a stake, we have some projects. It looks okay to grow up, to get some gainings with it. So if you are in profit, like I always say, take some profit, put it in something you really love to hold for a longer time, a bit more safe. If it's your 25% that it's not safe, or more risky, that's okay. You can grow and you can definitely have a nice bump up again for this one. But would I recommend it? Not really. It's only a 50 million market cap, so that is okay. Fully diluted is only 23, so that I do like these two things. We could definitely see another pump up for around 100 to 200%. That's definitely in the chart. And we do need one more centralized exchange. So if we have one centralized exchange extra added to it, we definitely could see a huge bump up again to go to the next level. So my all-time favorite is still I will be keeping it on this one and very close look. We are still pumping and I'm in the live while it's pumping. So Get at least 50,000 Cosmos people. You'll be very happy by the end of the run. I believe Cospo will do at least between 2.5 and $15, something like that would be an easy play. So even if you have 50,000 Cospos and it goes to $2.5, that means that you could have at least $125,000 for an easy run. So I would recommend this one above, and I do say above Bitcoin or Ethereum, because these already have pumped hugely, and everything behind the narrative of Cospo is, yeah, it's like beautiful. It's about a 4 billion market cap at this point, and we are going up in ranks, I guess, because of that one. And we did not have any huge centralized exchanges yet, so these are all easy centralized exchanges that anybody can use. If you want to buy this on in America somewhere, you will have to go on Maxi. Make sure that you're on VPN, because Maxi will not allow you to buy anything if you're from out of the US. If you are in the US, if you are out of the US and you are at the Europe side, you can just go on to Bybit or KuCoin. It's an easy buy. Store, please store it on a hardware wallet or on the wallet itself that you can put onto your desktop. If you go to the website, you can just download it and use it, of course. Happy that you're a lucky one today. You have a free ride with me. Oh, Philip, let me take a look at this one. I hope I'm on the correct one. Thoughts on Yup? Yeah, Yup is a very good one. Nah, that one I like. Let me take a look at this one. All time. We're having, how young is this one? It's about 2 years old. We had a huge long sideways move. We had a pull up. We're having now a huge correction back to it. Centralized exchanges. We have about 7 or 8. Okay, this looks okay. I would like to see a Bybit or a KuCoin getting into this one soon. After all, 124 million market cap, and we have a fully diluted of about one. No, that's not a good sign. So this means that this coin can drop a lot of more. So keep in mind, people, always look at the fully diluted market cap with the market cap itself. So we only have like 124 million market cap and a fully diluted of 1.5 billion. So that's more than a 10x from here. So I would not recommend buying this, because people could just dump on yourself. So keep a bit of mind. If you're in profit, take the profits out, or put your initial investment out and put it into something safer. I would not recommend. Can I pump? Yeah, I can pump. All crypto coins will pump a lot and will go up high, but I would not keep this one. I would keep a very close eye at this one, just because of that. Just because of the fully diluted market cap, looking at the market cap itself. It's too big. This cannot be more than a 2x from each other. So this is like a 10x at least. So 124 to a billion, that's even more than a 10x from here. So I would keep a very close eye to it. And if you're in profit, take some profits out of it. Yup, yeah. Now this one I do like. It's a DEX, yup. Of Jupiter. I hope it's this one. There are multiple yups I just saw. If it's this one, it's okay. The rest is just the fake of the other Jupiter. So make sure it's this one if you are into yup. Why do I like it? First of all, it's the founders do not hold any coins. It's already on a lot of exchanges. So will it do good? Yeah. it definitely will do good once it gets onto even bigger exchanges. So it still needs Coinbase. I don't believe this one has the one yet. I'll take a look if I can find. Like it's on a huge amount of exchanges. So is this a safe play? Yeah, it's a safe play. Will it do 100x? No, it will not. Will it do a 10 to 15x? Yeah, it's definitely possible. Definitely in the charts for this one to do another 10x. That's doable. More than that, I would not expect from this coin. Now, first of all, it's a decentralized, it's a DEX. Like I said, I followed the founder and the people that were into it when it was around 40 cents. I bought this one and I sold around $1.30. I sold everything. Now, why did I sell? Because I first of all knew that was going to come a pump, and I was not following the news anymore about this one because I didn't have time to do all of them. So I picked a few that I really wanted to hold, and I just made my bags a little bit bigger from the ones that I really wanted to keep. Is it a good play? Yeah, it's a good play. Will it do more than $10? No, it will not. A 10x from here is beautiful to see, but more than that, I would not expect from this coin at the next run. So if you want to have more, Casper will do more. I believe Casper will do at least 15x from here till next, so it's even better play. Which one do we have next? How much can you cash out with 2 million Casper? If you have 2 million Caspers at this point, you will be a billionaire, man. If you have 2 million Caspers, we'll make $2.5, so make it around 5 million at least. And if you keep above it, we could see a maximum of 15, so that means about 13 million that you could have between 2.5, yeah, between 5 and 30 million, I would say. That would be around the amount that you will get if you have around 2 million Caspers. That's if you have 2 million Caspers. That's a very nice bag you holding, so keep it. I'll give you a pointer. July 2025, look to take some profits. By September, August, I think that will be the tops for this run, and that we will not extend to November like last time. I think it's about 2 months earlier that this run will end, and why? Because everybody wants to extend and keep going and going and going, but that's not how crypto goes. If I want to invest $200K, do you help me privately with my private portfolio? Of course, I help, bro. You can go to my Patreon and you can just get into my Patreon and ask me. I do private lessons too, so I do it at home, so I do it online too. It depends where you live. If you live close enough, I would even come to your home and do it privately if you prefer it that way. But if you want just lessons like that and tell me how to invest 200K, I'd definitely be up to it. So you can ask me how, if you need my chat or how to get into it. We communicate, of course, offline, and I would definitely be able to help you. I made myself a millionaire from the first one, so I can definitely help you too. Now, let me take a look. Yundo, which one coin is this one? Oh, did I miss something? Ondo? What's Ondo? I can't find it on market cap, Ondo. So is it correctly spelled? Is it meta? No. Seems not. Can you respell that one, please? Mehri, yeah, of course I can help you. Just ask. I'm done enough people to help, so I'm gladly adding you to my portfolio. Ondo, yeah, but I can't find Ondo. Or did I type it not correctly? Oh, it's the first one, I think. Okay, sorry. Oh, look, it's the community, so I can't find this coin on CoinMarketCap. Can I find it on? Let me take another chart. Hmm, take a look if we can find on CoinHacko. Normally, you could find it earlier on the other one, but yeah, CoinHacko shows it. Okay, maybe you can follow my screen at this point. Yeah, you can. Okay, great. Let me take a look. Hondo, it's up 66%. Okay, great. Markets, what do we at? What's on Coinbase? Yeah, so that's why it's been pumping. If you have this one, congrats. It's exchanges, so this one will definitely do fine. Will it pump another 10x or 100x? No, that definitely will not be happening because it's already on all the biggest exchanges that it's on to at this point. This is already up around 1,000%. And because of that, I do not believe we will see it hit another one. Can it go up another 10x? Definitely. I have no idea what this coin does. So it's a finance coin. Okay. So it has financing. Great finance on stage. Financing is always something that I'm very interesting at, and I do like that it's doable and they can grow a lot also. But remember, it's 1 billion market cap already, so fully diluted market cap is around 12 billion. So that's about a 10x from this one. So that means that there are a lot of coins that could take a return of it. Now, I don't have a lot of viewpoint here because it's only like 30 days old here, and it's a lot more days that it's been online. Let me take a look if I can find Ethereum scan explore. Okay, so here I have the thing. Let me take a look if I can find it. How has this been going up? A week. Ooh, this has pumped a lot. Okay, next retracement I see going back to $1 and even maybe to like 65 cents. So keep careful. If you're in profit, maybe take some. I definitely see retracement to like $1. That's definitely in the charts for this one. Just by looking at the first glimpse of out of it, you can see the same. This pattern just huge upward. So this is an upwards pattern that needs to readjust. So $1.02 is perfectly retraceable. So if you are not in it, that would be like my favorite point of getting into it, around $1. If you are into it, congratulations, because this pump from February to June has done beautiful. But I do believe there will be some sell pressure behind this one too, just because of it's on every big exchange. Let me take a look. People are still accumulating this one. People are still buying hugely about this one too. This is like a $15,000 buy, a 20,000, an $85,000 buy. So I would not be buying that one on 1.3 for $85,000. So people need to know something more. But the first look looks like it should come back to around a dollar. So if you're in profit, maybe make sure that you have some profits from it. But can it do more? Of course it can. But my first view out of it, I believe that we definitely should close off this one. So 1.2 will be definitely seeing, and I'm quite sure that we will see like a $1 retracement too, because these candles are way too big to keep going up at the speed, especially because it's been in every huge exchange already. So this one is on all exchanges, and it's not yet on coin market cap. So I do find that one strange. Undo. So they did not. Oh, here it is. Now I found it. Maybe I typed it wrong or not correctly. Yeah, it's on all the major exchanges, so that's why it's been pumping hugely. So I would be taking some profits just because it's on all these exchanges already. If Coinbase has just been listed, definitely take some profits because Coinbase will be taking profits too. Um, a dollar to 90 cents will be my charts for looking to have a new entry if you want to get some more. If you want to get into my Patreon and my Discord himself and to get directly financial advice, let me take you to it. Hmm. This is my wife's, but that's not what I was looking for. Yeah, this is mine. So if you want to have directly contact with me and see all of my uses and ask me directly everything, so we have two memberships at this point. We got a VIP membership. You can just go in here and ask me anything that you want. It's about 75 euros a month. You get all my access, my new gems that I might buy and sell alerts. I have a small Legion group where I do trading ins. I do exclusive trading course that I have online also if you want to learn to read some charts. You got access to my crypto books that I have online, exclusive live streams weekly. So I do weekly live streams still into the Patreon itself and the Discord, of course. 24 hours chat, and you get to look at my portfolio, what I have. Now, I do also have an ultimate membership, and that's for people to get a review of their portfolio and join them completely. So they get one-on-one course with this one every day with me. So what do you have with this one extra than the VIP? The ultimate, you get everything that you need. If you want to have one-on-one conversations with me all day long, it doesn't matter. I have the whole week free for you. So you get about 25 hours or 24 hours from me completely for yourself to let you know what I find about everything that you need. And you get one-on-one 24 hours talking with me like you prefer. Doesn't matter. I have the time for you and I will take time for you till you understand everything that you need to be doing and to make sure that you grow to the point that you want to. I will be listening to you. I will be giving you my advice on anything that you have, and I will be very honest also what you could keep and what you cannot keep. What you do with it is still your own pick, but you will have to have your own agree, of course. It's one of the RER projects I'm holding. I bought it at and under a dollar. Oh, Very good. You bought it at the perfect time, I must say. Congratulations for that one. You bought really at a very good price, and it's been pumping. So I would definitely take your initial investment out of it just because it's already on Coinbase, so that you're sure that you're always on a clean line and on a safe place. I do not see it hit directly back to 35 cents. So you're 36, 3, 4. You're almost a 4x up now. So that looks great. Tao, yeah, that's one of my favorites too. So Tao is a very good coin. It's one of the only um, AI coins that I like. Is it a great one? Yeah, this is a huge coin, and it's loved by a lot of millionaires. So this one will do perfectly fine. It now has a retracement, so I was predicting this retracement a long time ago, and we will see hugely above $1,000 to $3,000 for this one. So do we have a lot of growth in this one? Yeah, we do. Could you hold it through the whole bullish market that we will have? Yes, you can definitely keep this one for a longer period of time. Why? Because I am also in a community that people are talking about this one, and it has a lot of growth potential still to go. I've been in Tao around, I think the first time I saw Tao around $60. So I'm from here somewhere. I started into it. I sold my first bag around 300, and then I took my initial investment out of it, and I'm now just riding this wave, having fun with it, keeping it until the complete bull market, and we will see where it ends. But yeah, you can keep this one. It's a good buy. At this point, it's still a cheap price. I believe this one was around this price that I predicted it would go on my group. Let me say, where are we? Price at this point, 370. Might believe it can go a little bit lower, but it's a nice price if you if you have patience and holding it for next year, something like that. Yeah, it's a good buy. You can still keep. Definitely want to keep. Okay, I'm about 52 minutes in, and I'm happy that I've done this one. It's been a while since I've been live for all of you, and I'm happy to do this once more and do it a lot more. So I would have you all say a very great evening. I will have some dinner at this point. It's around 9 o'clock, so it's a late night evening for me at this point. If you want to join my community, you can go in here. Used to be a lot cheaper, but I had too much on myself, so the link I will be leaving this one below, or you can find it on my YouTube channel itself, and you can just join, and we will all communicate inside my communities, of course. I wish you all a very great evening. Thank you all for joining, and we all see you definitely on the next one. Have fun. Ciao.